Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, Business Analysis Process in Companies. In this video, experts will break down the key steps involved in the business analysis process within their work, highlighting how each step contributes to the success of their projects. Additionally, they will explore how their organizations facilitate effective communication and collaboration between business analysts and other stakeholders, including project managers, developers, and end users.
I generally follow a step-by-step approach that was adopted by the Project Management Institute that parallels processes shared in the Business Analysis Body of Knowledge, or BABOK. Step number 1, perform a needs assessment. Identify the problem or opportunity, current and future states, develop options, make a recommendation, and develop a business case. Step 2, engage stakeholders. Identify stakeholders, analyze stakeholders, develop a communications approach, and gain their commitment and support. Step 3 is elicit requirements. Work closely with key stakeholders to understand and document their needs. Step 4 is to analyze the requirements. Use proven models to ensure the requirements you are proposing are verified by key stakeholders and validated as value added by executive leadership. Step number 5 is the execution. Develop a traceability structure to ensure all requirements, planning, and development happens on schedule, within budget, and provides the required scope as planned. And finally, step 6 is the solution. Evaluate the solution and gain sign-off.
First off, defining the project scope is vital. This helps everyone understand what we are aiming for and what's off limits. Next is stakeholder analysis, figuring out who needs to be involved, ensure we gather all necessary perspectives. Then we move on to requirements gathering, where I use interviews, surveys, or workshops to collect insights systematically. Validating solutions is another big step. We need to ensure what we are proposing aligns with business needs before jumping into implementation. Finally, monitoring results after implementation helps us see if we hit our goals and provides insights for future projects.
I can define 5 steps that the business analyst will be involved in a project. Step 1, discovery. In this step, will be found the business needs and what I want to achieve with my project, and identify all the project stakeholders. Step 2, documentation. In this step, we will document all information in a way that is clear to understand for the technical and the business areas. Step 3, validation. Validate with the both areas whether it was possible to understand what was requested and whether any adjustment or changes are needed. Step 4, development support. Clarify any doubt that may arise during the development and always be close to the business in the decisions. And finally, step 5, delivery. Delivering the project along with the documentation and checking for any new project that may arise from what has been done.
In the business analysis process, I follow a structured approach that starts with requirement gathering through interviews and workshops, followed by requirement analysis using tools like Jira and Visio. We ensure that the solution aligns with business objectives through continuous collaboration with stakeholders. My role involves defining clear business requirements while facilitating communication between technical teams and the business side. Challenges like changing requirements are managed through agile methodologies, and success is measured by meeting project timelines, budget, and stakeholder satisfaction.
How does your organization ensure effective communication and collaboration between business analysts and other stakeholders, such as project managers, developers, and end users?
In my organization, we prioritize regular alignment meetings where team members can share updates, discuss challenges, and celebrate our wins together. This open dialogue builds trust within the team and encourages everyone to share their ideas freely. We do use collaborative tools like Slack for real-time communication and Jira for tracking tasks. This keeps everyone informed about project statuses and ensures transparency throughout the process. By fostering a culture of collaboration where everyone feels valued, we can tackle potential issues early on and adapt quickly as needed, leading to better overall project outcomes.
First of all, hold regular meetings and workshops. Schedule frequent meetings and workshops to facilitate open dialogue and ensure all stakeholders are aligned. Why? This helps in addressing any issues promptly and keeps everyone on the same page. Next, use effective collaboration tools. Leverage tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Jira to maintain continuous communication and collaboration. These tools help in sharing updates, tracking progress, and managing tasks efficiently. Finally, strive for clear documentation and visual aids. Provide clear and concise documentation, including visual aids like flowcharts and diagrams. This helps in simplifying complex information and ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of the project requirements and progress.
Our organization fosters effective communication and collaboration by having regular meetings between business analysts, project managers, developers, and end users. We use tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams for ongoing communication and Jira for tracking progress. Business analysts act as the bridge between technical teams and stakeholders, ensuring all voices and requirements are clearly communicated. We also address any challenges through open feedback loops and focus on aligning everyone to the project's objectives for seamless execution.